Ruko F11GIM2 drone with 3 batteries and spare gears, auto to home, brushless motor, 6-level wind resistance. About this item. Multi-equipment F11GIM2 drone. Their F11GIM2 drone is equipped with a 4K 2-axis gimbal EIS camera to provide stable flight and smooth footage. Easily capture clear 4K photos and record stunning 4K, 30 FPS video with a 100 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable lens. Great customer service. We offer a 30-day return and exchange and a 90-day product guarantee. Contact us anytime if you have any issues. Ruko support is always available to assist you. Spare propellers. Their bundle comes with spare landing gear to ensure an uninterrupted flying experience in case of any damage or wear and tear. Virtual bundle. Their bundle is virtual, which means you can purchase it online and receive the drone and spare landing gear, but at a discounted price. Items included in the package: 1 Ruko F11GIM2 drone, 3 2500 mAh batteries, 1 rechargeable controller, 3 Type-C cables, 1 carrying case, 1 pairs of spare propellers, 1 spare drone landing gear, 1 camera cover, 1 L-shaped long arm,